watching this are now at home to protect your health and that of those nearest you. But there is much you can do to stay healthy at home, like eating a healthy and nutritious diet, avoiding sugary drinks, not smoking, and being physically active. Take a walk if you can go outside. Do an online workout or yoga. And don't sit in the same position for long periods. Getting up and moving for at least 3 minutes several times a day helps. Caring for your mental health is also key. You can do this by talking with people you trust, listening to music, reading a book, or playing a game.